Nitro Sign Premium Digital Signature Platform Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and additional resources are in the description. Nitro Sign Premium is a robust digital signature platform designed for businesses looking for a secure, efficient, and user-friendly solution to manage and sign documents digitally. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise, Nitro Sign provides an intuitive platform that enhances productivity while ensuring compliance with legal standards. It's particularly well suited for organizations that deal with a high volume of documents and need an efficient way to streamline the signing process. Key features. Nitro Sign Premium offers legally binding e-signatures, complying with industry regulations such as the eSign Act and eIDAS, making it suitable for both domestic and international use. The platform features a simple drag-and-drop interface that allows users to easily upload, sign, and manage documents without any hassle. One of its standout features is the ability to create reusable templates, which makes it easier for businesses to quickly send out standardized documents like contracts and agreements. Nitro Sign Premium also supports bulk sending, enabling users to send documents to multiple recipients simultaneously, saving time and improving efficiency. Audit trails and multi-factor authentication ensure that all documents are secure and the platform complies with high levels of security. Nitro Sign Premium also integrates with Google Drive, Dropbox, and other cloud storage services, allowing users to access and manage documents from anywhere. The platform is mobile-friendly, giving users the flexibility to sign documents on the go, whether they're in the office or on the move. Strengths. Nitro Sign Premium's ease of use, affordable pricing, and robust security features make it a strong contender in the digital signature market. It's ideal for businesses looking for a reliable, scalable solution that simplifies document management. Its bulk sending and template creation features significantly enhanced productivity for teams that need to process large amounts of paperwork. Weaknesses. While Nitro Sign Premium is a solid platform, it lacks some of the advanced automation and customization features seen in top-tier platforms like DocuSign or Adobe Sign. Additionally, its integrations with third-party applications may not be as extensive as competitors. Final verdict. Nitro Sign Premium is an excellent choice for businesses that need a secure, easy-to-use, and cost-effective digital signature solution. While it may not have the most advanced features in the market, its affordability, security, and efficiency make it an ideal solution for companies looking to streamline their document signing processes.